am so sleep deprived. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna attempt to do this vlogging thing again, and my camera's dying. Wow. Hold on. All right, there we go. What was I talking about? Baby girl had a horrible night. Well, I shouldn't say that. She is not sleeping. Okay, let me take it back. It was so hard to put her back to sleep this morning, so I've been up with her all morning. I only had 3 hours of sleep, and then she had a little nap, about an hour. So I had an hour nap, and here we are. She just went back down, but at this point I don't even want to sleep no more. I don't like these little like 1 hour sleeps. I find that if I get 5 hours uninterrupted, I'm good. If I get like 3 hours and then an hour and then an hour, I'm not good. I have been licking milk all over me. Probably, can you tell? This is the reality of my life now, and we're just gonna roll with it. So today's the first day that my husband has gone back to work, and I actually was extremely anxious to have to deal with a newborn. Ever since she's been born, he took some time off. He took about a month off actually, so grateful that we were able to do this. My mind keep going back to single women that are taking care of kids by themselves. How do you do it? Anyways, today's the first day that he's gone back to work, and all week I've been so anxious about today. I've just been like, oh my god, I'm gonna be alone with this newborn. Can I do this? And he's gone to work, and of course it's the day baby girl decides to be fussy, but it's okay, you know, we're all here, we're all alive, so I think it's going well. It's 2 o'clock, 2:47, and I haven't even eaten yet, so I'm starving. My husband actually left me a smoothie. What did I do with it? What is it? Did I leave it downstairs? There it is. It looks bad, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I don't know about you, but drinking something out of a straw just makes me feel automatically better, and it makes it taste better too. What happened to my voice? One thing that we've been what happened to my voice? So one thing that we've been doing since having the baby is a food subscription box. So we did this because we anticipated that postpartum was going to be hard. So we were like, why don't we just get food sent to the house versus having to go pick up groceries, you know, like we did during the pandemic. You remember when all we did is order food from the grocery store? And I don't mind doing that. I just hate the quality of the food that they give you. I find that lately they've just been worse and worse. Anyways, HelloFresh is what we've been doing and we've been getting, and it's been pretty interesting. It really saves us a lot of time, but it's not saving us a lot of money. So I don't know how long we're gonna keep doing this. Baby girl is a month old already, and I feel like we're finding our dance a little bit, even though, you know, some days she just decides not to sleep. So let's open this box. Everything always comes nicely packaged. That's one thing I'm gonna give them. And all of the meat is on ice. Do y'all want free boxes? I don't know, let me know. Let's see what we're eating this week. This week we got Greek style lemon chicken, mango glazed Caribbean style chicken. Well, that looks good actually. Beef bowls, that also looks good. And the last one is honey pork meatballs. That's a little questionable. Oh no, something opened up. What is it? Which one are you? I actually feel like it might be this one because the bottom felt wet. Oh, that's too bad. Creamy mashed potatoes. I guess it's not gonna be creamy now. Yep, it's this one. There it is, completely empty. So the real question now is, do I complain? Is this also empty? All of it. No, that's okay. Do I complain? Because I feel like for the price of this stuff, and it's all at the bottom of the bag, it's gonna be a problem. Look at inside this bag. I was just saying how they package their things pretty well, and then look at that. You know what? While the baby sleeps, I might as well tidy up this house, you know? Isn't that what they say? When the baby sleeps, you clean. Is she waking up? No. She's waking up. She's moving around, so my time here is limited. we did it. I think she fell back asleep, which is excellent. Maybe I'll try to plan out my day. Plan. What is that anyway? Y'all remember the days where I used to plan my days? And I don't know, if you're following me on Instagram, then you probably know this. I used to have those long to-do lists. Oh, those used to be the days. But now, I usually just brain dump everything that I feel like I need to do, and then I get to it when I get to it. I get to it whenever she sleeps. And that seems to work right now because I don't have a schedule. And I don't know how I feel about not having a schedule, but I have a 1-month-old. You know, I constantly have to remind myself, Jennifer, sit down. So let's break down some of the things that I want to do this week. We just kind of like get to it when we get to it, and if we don't get to it, we move it to the next week. It's the next day. Yesterday was a blur. Baby woke up and I was just on mommy duties, okay? Hubby's home today though, so, you know, I'm feeling a little bit better. Actually, you know what I'm struggling with? It's not even taking care of the baby when I'm alone. It's breastfeeding. Breastfeeding has been a journey. For something that is supposed to happen natural, your body knows what to do, your baby knows what to do. I don't know, I think I missed the training. She missed the training because we're both looking at each other like, what are we supposed to do? And I'm like, you're supposed to know, it's your life source. Yeah, it's been I don't I can't tell you how many times I have cried with feeding her, and I feel like it's taken away from this beautiful experience that I should be having with her. Just the pain of breastfeeding, I mean, I feel like theoretically speaking, I know what to do, but something is not translating, and I just feel like she's not opening her mouth wide enough. I know she needs to have a big mouth full of breast, not the nipple. I know that, but then she's not opening her. So my camera died. I don't remember where I was at, but breastfeeding is very difficult. I know she's supposed to take a big mouthful of breast, but she's not opening her mouth really wide. And I've seen like 3 different lactation consultants, y'all, and I've been spending money. I even hired a private one to come to the house and help, and she was kind of helpful. I feel like with each person that I see, I learn something new. So I'm actually seeing someone tomorrow because I really want to breastfeed and I want it to be efficient. What's happening right now is that we feed for a long period of time for her to get satisfied, just because she's not latched properly and she's not getting what she needs. And I'm making a lot of milk, y'all. Y'all should see the amount of milk that's coming out of your girl. You can call me cowgirl. So we just need to figure it out, and I don't want to give up. It's been 4 weeks, and I actually hear some people on Instagram say that it gets better after 5 weeks. So my expectation is that by next week, okay. Another thing that someone mentioned is that she may need body work. So apparently babies can come out feeling really tight. It's not just us adults that need massages and chiro. Apparently they may need a little bit of tweaking, or maybe they're tight, some muscle tension that's preventing them from opening really wide. So that's one thing that we learned from one consultant. The other thing is that she had a lip and a tongue tie, which if you're familiar with those, can be restrictive and prevent her from moving her tongue or using her mouth the way that she's supposed to, so that she can get a mouthful of breast. And it's not supposed to be a painful process. It should be an enjoyable, relaxing process to feed your child, and that's what I want. But we're still out here struggling for now, but I'm definitely determined to figure it out, and I'm gonna see as many consultants as I need to before I give up. But today's a new day. Baby girl is sleeping right now, so I am going to take advantage to edit a video, at least try to edit part of it. I also want to pump, because that's the cycle that I'm stuck in, because breastfeeding is not as efficient. She will nurse and then I will pump to make sure that my breasts are drained, because I also need to be mindful and protect my milk supply. And my nails. I'm definitely exposing myself on the internet, but look at my nails, y'all. Look at my nails. They are like, what's going on? What is happening? So while my husband is home today, I'm hoping to make a nail appointment and get these fixed. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know the dilemma with these nails, girl. When I got these nails done, it was the last week of my pregnancy, and this is shellac, and every time I would go, I would come home and it will peel off immediately. Like I wouldn't get a couple of days out of it. Immediately. So you know me being Haitian, I'm not gonna waste my money, so I would go back, and I think I went back 3 times for them to fix it until it finally stayed. And on the day I gave birth, I still had a little bit of peeling happen. But you know, by that time I was like, whatever, I'm not gonna go fight these people while I have a newborn. So I'm not going back to that place, needless to say. And today I'm hoping to go to, I don't know where I'm gonna go today. Someone on Instagram suggested a Russian manicure place, but I can't remember where, so I don't have the information. And I looked online and I couldn't find it. So I may go back to the first place I used to go to, but I don't know, they were pissing me off. There's a reason why I stopped going there. This is the video that I'm working on, and I'm kind of excited because, I don't know, it's been a while since I've been in the game like that. Doing things that I enjoy makes me excited. Oh no, it's allergy season. I want to say 6 weeks. It sounds bad, but I've been washing, conditioning, and wetting my hair on a consistent basis. The baby's up. Hey, boo boo. Hello, sweetie pie. Hi, can I please make an appointment for a mani-pedi today?
You make it up now, you like.
Whenever?
Yeah, like now. Now is better.
Can I come at 3?
Hey, baby girl.
Alright, so baby's down and I am gonna get myself together to go. I don't know why I agreed to 2:30 because it's already 2:09 and I look like this. Yeah, let's do this quickly. Oh, and I also got some new product from Makeup Forever. I think it's like a foundation, is it? It's in this lovely case. Oh, it's so pretty. The color's giving me everything. And I think it's like a new powder. Oh, it's loose powder. So I think I'm gonna use this one to get ready today. It's funny because I have 5 minutes to get out of the house, but I gotta do my skincare and I haven't been out the house in a while, so I wanna look kind of cute. Okay, clearly I'm gonna be late and I don't actually feel bad about it. What is this? Strawberry coconut drink. Is that new? Okay, drink. It looks so pretty. What's in here? It is so good. I'm back and I feel great. Look at my nails. Oh my god, girl. I love them. I typically do white. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this. My nails are always white. But today, I did something new. My toes are white though. And I realized I didn't show you my outfit, but before that, I just want to say, do the thing, okay? Do the thing that makes you happy. I know so many of us become parents or new wives, and we kind of forget about ourselves, the essence of what makes us us. The things that we've always liked, we just put in the back burner, never to do again. And I just want to say, do it. Do the thing. It doesn't matter, even if you're not a new mom or anything like that, but you stop doing the things that you used to do 17 years ago, do it. I'm giving you permission today. This week, I want you to take the time to think about the things that you loved, that you stopped doing, and go do it. It doesn't have to be beauty related. It doesn't have to be your nails. It could be gardening. It could be go to the movie theater by yourself. I don't know, something, a good restaurant. Just do the thing that's going to fuel you. Because that's how you show up as the best version of yourself, when you make you happy. Anyways, my outfit today, I realized I didn't show you because I left in such a fancy. My jacket is from Zara and you can't see the whole thing, but how can I do this? I'm not a fashion blogger. Jacket is from Zara. This is a bodysuit and this is from Dynamite. I am wearing some maternity tights and these are from RW & Co. And yes, I do have a little mummy pouch, but I had a baby a month ago. It's gonna take time. And this is what I look like. Shoot. Anyways, I'm thinking of continuing to film these quick videos, kind of like vlogs, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna call them, so I'm gonna do them on a weekly basis. I'm not gonna vlog every day, but when I do vlog, I'm gonna put it all together and it's gonna be like the weekly vlog. I don't know what to call it because it's not a weekly vlog as in I'm vlogging every day. It's gonna be just bits and pieces whenever I can for the week. So if you have a clever name, let me know. Yeah, other than that, I will see you tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Today we're going to see a lactation consultant and I'm so excited. Can't leave the house with dry lips though, It's the #1 rule. I have nothing to wear. I have this new mom body and I don't know what to do with it. So this has nothing to do with anything, but I just want to share with you one of the best edge control I have ever used on my 4C hair. By Shea Moisture, they sent this to me. I'm not getting paid. It's the coconut and hibiscus flaxseed edge gel. Y'all remember the curl enhancing smoothie from back in the days? It smells exactly like that, and it's super waxy, I could say, and that's where the power of this product lies. Because y'all know how 4C edges are. They don't like to be tamed unless it's a product that is super thick. And this is it. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm not going anywhere fancy, but when I leave the house, I like to feel a little put together, okay? I don't know what happened to my actual little edge thing, but you see how it's literally just taming my edges right in front of you? And it's going to stay like that. This is the beauty. It's not for 5 minutes, it's for the day. It's so good. Of course, I could tie down my edges right now, but I have to leave the house, so I'm not going to. And we'll see how it lasts without tying my hair. How about that? You know, I've never had bubble tea before. It's good. So I'm back home. Obviously, I need to show you the hair. I have a bunch of PR boxes over here that makes my desk look very messy. I just had a thought about cleaning it up and I'm like, you know what, calm down. It's okay to have a messy desk. Anyway, this is how many hours later? It is now 7:22 and I think I did it around 2 o'clock. Did not tie my hair down, and look at the edges, y'all. The edges are still holding strong. I don't know if you can see it, but they're still there. And it's crazy to me how good this edge control is. I wish I was being paid to let you know. And you know what? I feel like people feel some sort of way about influencers promoting products, especially nowadays. Back in the day, it wasn't an issue, but now people really do feel some sort of way. And at the end of the day, I like to eat, and if you like products and I'm putting you onto a product that works, don't you think it's a fair trade? Anyway, my appointment went well with the lactation consultant. This is the 4th person I think I've seen so far. Basically, she validated that my technique so far is good. I've improved a lot. And I need to kind of give it time. And another thing that she mentioned is that baby girl could benefit from some body work, making sure that their muscles aren't tight, especially the facial muscles, because I find that it's hard for her to open her mouth really wide. So I think she probably will benefit from a good massage. And you know what? I could benefit from a good massage too. We are just gonna keep going strong with breastfeeding. I don't want to give up on it. So if you are a breastfeeding mama out there, and honestly, I don't know who watches my content anymore, but if you are a breastfeeding mama, I am sending good vibes your way. You can do this. Go get help though, because if you're just out here suffering in silence, thinking that your nipples are just gonna get used to it, it probably won't. Okay, I kind of feel like we should end the vlogs here. I have been filming over the past 3 days and I feel like I have a lot of footage to put together. So let me know what you guys think. If you made it this far, let me know what you think of the vlog. Give me some feedback. I would love to hear from you, okay? Don't be like a silent lurker. Come from behind the bushes, girl. I actually kind of prefer vlogging little tidbits of my day this way versus trying to film the whole day and have a long, boring video for you guys. And I'm just saying this because it's kind of hard for me to watch really long vlogs. So I imagine that there's other people out there that feel the same way. I have a bunch of PR packages to go through. Maybe that's something we can do together in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, girl.